Parduc P40 Skate Sharpener Unboxing. Unscrew the securing screws from the box cover. Remove the cushionings and gently lift the machine from the box. Check the machine condition and bolt connections visually. Fasten the lifting handle to its holder. Unscrew the diamond dresser to the up position until the retaining spring gets loose. Attach the counterweight. Release the grinding wheel swing arm by screwing the grinding wheel height thumb nut to the up position. Test manually that the grinding wheel arm can swing freely up and down. Open the skate holder jaws. Check that the diamond dresser lever is locked to the front position. Check that the grinding wheel can spin freely. Lift the operation panel by pulling the release pin on the back of the machine. Check that the power switch is set to off position. Attach the power cord to the power outlet.